it's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures. Thank you so much. Welcome back to the channel where all things diamond painting happen. So if you are a fan of Donnie over on her channel, you saw this packaged up. This is something I bought from her Etsy store, DrillPenFrenzy, and it was really cool to watch her package it up, talk to her about it, and then see it come across the United States. And then here I am unpackaging it in front of you. So let's make sure I don't cut what's in here. When she showed this as something new on her store, I freaked out. I was like, I have to get this. So she has this itemized list of things I purchased. So the first thing I purchased, Rebecca, look what I got. It's called Dwarf, but it's my Christmas gnome. I am super excited. This is from Wizardy Arts, and I unboxed this company a couple of videos ago. But when I saw Donnie had this one, I had to purchase from her store. So I'm opening it right away. And inside it comes in a baggie, which is really nice. And this is going to be Bernard's best friend. He's got Greg, but Greg is all the way upstairs in my daughter's room. So what do we got here? Okay, so it comes with this little symbol sheet, and he's so cute. All right, down below, I am going to do a what is his name? So if you guys could comment down below who this little gnome's name is, I will, on my live on Friday, pull random comment picker, and we will pick this little dude's name, okay? So his big brother, his name is Bernard, and there's also Greg, so you can't use Bernard or Greg. Then it comes with this little how-to in multiple languages, and then you've got, it says wood. So here is little gnome guy. And what you're going to do is, this is a, looks like laser cutout of the crown double-sided tape. So we get to become what the other companies are in putting our own double-sided tape on here. And then I'm sure we can see through the tape the symbols. See the symbols on the wood? And then the symbols correlate with here. But I'm not sure. Oh, I was like, whoops, what are these? Where did these go on the dwarf? This is just the little charcoal packet. So yeah, those are not special drills. I was like, oh wow. These are square, and they come in cute little baggies that have the DMC numbers on them, and you'll match it up with your key, which then will match up with your symbols. And then you'll end up with this little guy. Super cute. Also, it comes with a boat. It comes with a little string if you want to hang it, because there's a little hole for a charm. It comes with a magnet that's hiding. Yep, there's the magnet, and it comes with a little stand. So excited. Thank you for offering these, Donnie. Don't forget, comment down below on who you think this guy's name is, so Bernard knows who to call him, what to call him. Alright, so let me stick this all back in here so I do not lose anything, because that would be sad if I lost anything. Okay, so I had to buy one more thing. Thank you. And I want one of these since they've been in her shop, and so I thought, since I'm buying something already from her shop, I will get this. So this is the, I think it's the Daddy drill pen, and it has the plastic tip on it So I'm going to try that out. I've not used a plastic tip before, so I'm excited about that. So yeah, I got this awesome pin from her. Isn't that amazing? So definitely the link's down below. Check her out. DrillPenFrenzy. She's got little drill vacuum cleaner. She's got cool mugs, t-shirts, lots of pens, lots of cover minders, which are magnets that hold back your drills, or not drills, hold back your cover while you're drilling. So check out her store, and also don't forget down below, name our little gnome. So he has a name, and we'll do the random comment picker on Friday. So give me a thumbs up if you like this video or you want to see more like them. Hit the bell if you're not already a subscriber, and that will notify you, and also subscribe. So until next time, guys, be blessed. Take care. Bye-bye.